Hey Deep and Wide Thinker, in today's video I'm answering the question, how can I design my note-taking system so I want to return to my ideas? So this is something I've been playing around with in my own notes. I realized that I had this tag, it was called To Ponder, and the idea was to mark notes that I wanted to come back to and think more about. But honestly, I wasn't really coming back to them. The name kind of felt static, like it didn't really draw me in. So I tried something really simple. I changed the name of the tag to Threads. And what I'm noticing is that it feels different. Now when I see that tag, it's like the ideas are asking me to pull on them, to see where they lead. And it feels more active, like there's something waiting to be explored. I'm still experimenting with it, but so far it's been a nice little shift. And it made me think, maybe the names that we give our tags actually matter more than we realize. Maybe they can help create a system that invites us back into our ideas instead of just storing them away. Now, if you're like me and you want to spend more time with your ideas, maybe try it too. See if there's one tag name that you could tweak to feel more inviting. That's what I'm experimenting with. Just a small tag change, but it's already helping me revisit and spend more time with my ideas. Now, if you're into this kind of thing, small shifts that help you think deeper and make surprising connections, check out my newsletter, Thinking Deep and Wide. When you subscribe, I'll send you a free note-making guide that shows you how to slow down and think more deeply and uncover ideas you didn't even know were there. Ideas that can fuel your projects, spark fresh insights, and help you build a steady flow of creative breakthroughs. The link's down below, and I'd love to share it with you. Thanks for nerding out with me, friend, and I'll see you on the next video.